It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, welcome to our Friends of Wheeling tour for April. Today is April 24th, 2023, and this is a Friends of Wheeling tour. My name is Jean Finstein, and behind the camera we have Wendy Ellswick and Joanne Sullivan, so thank you for your expertise there. This address is 110 Parkview Lane. The home was built around 1900 by Frederick S. Williams and his wife Harriet. Williams was born in Orange, New Jersey. As a young man, he became associated with the Vulcan Iron Works and came to Wheeling in 1885 as the chief chemist for the Riverside Iron Works. He remained as chemist when that company was consolidated with the National Tube Company, and he retired when that company was dismantled in 1929. He was very involved in the First Presbyterian Church, serving as elder from 1887 until the time of his death nearly 50 years later. He was moderator of the Wheeling Presbytery at one point, clerk of the session, and a founder of the Parkview Sunday School. He and his wife Harriet, whose maiden name was Stark, raised two children, a daughter Ethel, who became Mrs. John Shaw of Port Jervis, New Jersey, and son Frederick S. Williams, who became a Presbyterian minister and served in New Athens, Ohio. Following the death of Frederick Williams, his children sold the property in 1937 to William P. Diekman and his wife Velma. Now Diekman, born 1902, died 1987, was one of three sons of John Diekman, who had founded the nearby Diekman Florist Company. And those of you who have been around Wheeling for a while will remember that Diekman's was right over here, behind his house. The senior Diekman, the founder of the company, was born in 1870. He was a German immigrant. He arrived in the United States in 1895. He came to Wheeling in 1901, and in 1909 he purchased 25 acres of pasture land and founded his own successful florist business there. By 1923 he had 100,000 square feet of greenhouses and supplied, quote, the finest of cut flowers and decorative plants for both lawns and homes. William Diekman worked with his brothers in the John Diekman and Sons florist business. William and his wife, whose maiden name was Wilhelmina Folmar, raised three daughters, Joan, Jean, and Wilma. In 1976, Richard D. and Jane Lynn Murdoch purchased the property, while Murdoch served as the rector of St. John's Episcopal Church. 2 years later, that would be 1978, the Murdoch sold the property to Daniel and Carol Liberator. Liberator was listed in city directories at the time as an engineer for Wheeling Antenna Company. In 1981, James J. and Barbara Reisinger purchased the property. James was the owner of Jay's Pharmacy on Bethlehem Boulevard, and Barbara was a dental hygienist. The current owner, Jason Haswell, purchased the property in mid-2003. Haswell is a broker with the Monteverde Group, and the house is currently for sale. So details on the sale price and square footage and so forth are in the kitchen on the counter. This is a very large house. There is a basement. You can tell from the basement that it's an old house, but there have been many modern amenities added in kitchens and bathrooms and things like that. So we won't try to stay together. Feel free to wander through as you wish, and try to visit the front yard too. It's very nice that direction. And of course, here we are in a courtyard, and we will begin our tour as we walk through. Right? If you are new to us and would like to join Friends of Wheeling, I happen to have membership cards with me. You laugh. I say that every time. Every time. It costs a total of $10 a year, and then you get notices by email or mail of our tours. And so, anyway, as I say, I do have membership cards with me if you would like to join our group.
It's the best bargain in town.
Thank you. The best bargain in town. Thank you, Margaret. Okay. All right. Let's go this way. We'll go in the back door. We'll feel like service. Okay. Nice screened-in porch here with fans.
TV.
TV.
And TV on the
Oh,
outside
TV
fireplace
there,
also.
and TV on the outside fireplace. Man, you're not too far away from the technology. This, of course, is kitchen, which has been modernized, obviously. I think there would have been a breakfast table here, probably. All right, and Wendy will follow me this way.
She's showing in the kitchen.
All right, just off the kitchen is the butler's pantry. No butler there.
No.
Okay, and then we'll move on to the dining room. There's two doors. And a smoke detector that needs a battery. It's a half bath under the stairs.
Chandelier. Be careful when you tell these.
This would be the main living room. I like the lights there above the fireplace. Yeah,
Quite a place, Gene, huh?
quite a place, yeah. And then across the hall,
Bay window and doors to the porch overlooking Parkview Lane and the yard.
Looks good.
all right.
Oh, hi Gus.
Hello. Good to see you.
It's in my neighborhood. I can't. I know.
That's right.
Could be an office. A nice view of the yard.
Yeah, excellent, yes.
And you'll see the realtor sign. Alicia Peklinski with Paul Associates is the realtor. And the phone number is there, 304-281-4397.
Parkview School. The old Parkview School.
The old
building's
Park
still
School
here.
is across there.
Yeah.
Office spaces now.
All right. And we'll move upstairs.
There's some of the Good Shepherd in here. So just up there. Oh, no, Edgerton Lane. Yeah. That is cool. I still want to go to Mass.
That's the rear stairs to the kitchen.
Nice window seat, yes. Beautiful landing area.
Right, now there are 3 bedrooms and a laundry room on this floor.
Larger closet than often.
This is a smaller bedroom.
Nice new wider planking on the floor.
This would be the master.
Linen closet here in the hallway.
Nice sized master with a nook here for a dresser, I suppose. Or a dressing table, I suppose.
Recessed lights overhead. Is this
Big bathroom.
Okay.
Not there. That's
Nice walk-in closet. Nice walk-in closet. Deep.
That's the beautiful shower.
Glass doors here on the shower. Rain shower and all the amenities. TV overhead.
Oh, didn't notice.
Gotta
another
see the TV.
All right. Yeah.
Big closet.
Connections here also for TV.
There's a third bedroom on this floor.
Blue room, fireplace, nice blue and white.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty.
The
That's got to be
towel.
really,
Yeah,
That's what I figured.
yeah.
it'd have to be another nice window seat.
Oh,
here.
window seat.
His and her closets.
Question came through here. Is it historic? In 30 words or less, do you want to?
Is it historic? Yes, we will post the history that I just read on our website when the video is posted. Nice bathroom with a beautiful double sink. And right next door is a second floor laundry room, which
Ah,
is the best idea. This
Yes.
is where all your dirty clothes are.
yes.
I'm fine.
Thank you for sending that to us.
Sure. This is a well-attended tour.
Yes, a very well attended tour. Everyone's interested in this beautiful house. Now this is my kind of laundry room.
Yes.
Room to hang things, probably room to fold things.
Room for a little sewing machine if you needed to repair. Cabinets above.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing laundry if I had a laundry room like this.
Oh, yes, she is. I'll wait till she goes up.
We'll go to the third floor,
That's another closet.
another linen type closet.
Right outside of the laundry room.
Electrical box in there.
And Wendy, I'll let you go first up to the third floor.
The wood on the stairs looks like it may be the original, but it's in very good condition. Sanded, you can see the putty in, but really good condition. Carpeted overlay. Going to the room on the right. Exercise room. Yellow walls in here. 3 windows.
Looks like this could be a nice exercise room. And where are you going to put your Christmas decorations and suitcases? Well, here's the perfect place.
And as a surprise, Joanne missed it when she was taking pictures, I just heard her say.
Yeah.
Our photographer extraordinaire found a secret room unphotographed.
Look, the old roof. Oh, yeah.
I knew this was added on.
Lots of room for Christmas decorations, suitcases, all those things you don't have any place to put, but you need.
Interesting. Shingles on the end? Was this an
Yes, this was probably an add-on. This would have been the exterior roof at one point. Place for out-of-season clothes.
coming out of,
Bedroom, this would be a great teenage hangout. wouldn't
yes,
it?
yeah.
Uh-huh. Nice size
Closet.
And another bathroom.
And I've seen multiple thermostat adjustments for the heating and air conditioning throughout, so controlled at will. Looks like an attic connection above.
Nice bathroom, and this has a nice big, like a makeup table, I think. I can see a teenage girl sitting there
Yes.
putting her makeup on.
Yes.
Shelving back there.
Uh-huh. All right, now Wendy will make it all the way down to the basement.
Okay, I'll follow you.
All right. Another storage closet here.
Yes, you're right.
This is fascinating.
Yes.
You're not within Arbordale's rules, so yes, you can let. Can't any other house behind us?
why? Okay.
So you could. So the neighbor behind might complain. And definitely the neighbor down the street would complain. It's what they do, huh?
Okay, you go through the kitchen to get to the basement. And you can definitely see from here that it's an old house. Yes, yes. The coal chute would be over here. That's where the coal came in.
Little laundry tub right there. Power box for those of you asking, and there's more upstairs, they said.
Looks like new electrical. All right. It is a cement floor,
Cabinets.
and the height is pretty good for an old house. And additional storage.
Old cabinets.
Now, did she send money or not?
Here's a little door that goes underneath.
Good. Okay.
Access for the plumbing.
I remember you telling me this on the phone a long time, about a year or so ago, I think. You talked with me.
A workshop, old
And I
tool.
was interested then. I just never.
Okay, and so we will stop down here in the basement. We hope you enjoyed the tour today. And if you're on our mailing list, then you will get on the, you'll get notices of any tours that we have in the future. So again, we hope you enjoyed your tour today. We certainly enjoyed seeing this beautiful house. And this video will be posted on the Friends of Wheeling Facebook page, along with the history of the building. So thank you for joining us today, and have a good evening.